Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on fractions. Fractions are a way to represent parts of a whole, and they are super useful in our daily lives. Let's explore fractions step by step using some fun visuals. Let's start with the fraction 1/2, written as 1/2. Imagine you have a circle. To represent 1/2, we divide the circle into two equal parts and shade one of them. This means one part out of two equal parts is selected. Simple, right? Next, let's look at 1/3. This is written as 1/3. Now, imagine the same circle, but this time, we divide it into three equal parts. If we shade one of those parts, we get 1/3. Notice how the parts are now smaller because the whole is divided into more pieces. Now, let's move to 1/4, written as 1/4. We take our circle again and divide it into four equal parts. If we shade one part, it shows 1/4 of the whole. As we increase the number of divisions, the size of each part gets smaller. Finally, we have 1/5, written as 1/5. This time, we divide our circle into five equal parts. Shading one part shows 1/5 of the whole. Can you see how the shaded part keeps getting smaller as the denominator increases? That is it for today. See you in next video.